Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star resort. In this resort, 7 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this resort, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 7.5. Check-in time in this resort is 2 p.m. and check-out time of this resort is 1 p.m. If you have visited this resort, you can send your experiences via comments. For booking or get more details about this resort, please below the link in description. If you have any problem booking a room in this resort, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel and not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming resort. Thank you for watching the entire video. We are thanks for the video with a new resort.